Hey everyone, welcome back to Gastromania. Today we have a special guest, my mom, to share with everyone a traditional Chinese dish called Pig Trotter Beehoon or 猪脚米粉. Traditionally, the male side of the family will send pig trotters as gifts during weddings to represent prosperity. As we move on with time, this evolved to gifting canned pork trotters as it has a much longer expiry date. Nevertheless, the method of frying the beehoon or vermicelli remains the same. If you find our recipe useful, please do hit the like button below so that this video will be recommended to our other viewers and be of use to them too. Let's get right into our recipe. First, we have our beehoon or vermicelli. I prefer using Trotter Beehoon because they are generally more bouncy and absorb sauces well. Take about 300 grams and soak it in the tap water. Soak about 8 pieces of dried mushrooms for about 30 minutes. Next, we have 1 can of stewed pig trotters. It's probably not enough, so I added another can of stewed pork chops. They taste very similar and can be substituted with each other. Pluck the Choy Sum leaves from the stem and set it aside for later use. Slice up about 5 shallots. Also slice up about half a carrot, and this is optional and is to add colour to the dish. Crack about 3 eggs and beat them without any seasoning. Take out the pork from the cans, keep the braising sauce inside for later use. It's really flavourful, so do not waste it and throw it away. Remove the bones from the pork so that the pork will break apart easily when we fry later on. Remove the stalk from the mushrooms. Slice them thinly and set it aside for later use. Keep the mushroom soaking water for use later on as well. Okay, let's go back and check on our beehoon. If you have used cool tap water to soak them, they should remain as whole strands, and even if I pull them slightly, it will not break. And with that, let's get cooking! First, we start by frying half the shallots. This will be used for the eggs and it will make it very fragrant.
葱头金黄色了啊，你就把这个蛋放下去，然后给那个蛋裹住那个葱头。然后拿起来，拿起来备用。 的水不要冒出来，流水。加那个香菇的水，罐头的水。
其实这样就不用加太多水了，有没有很多水？
不用加 extra 的白开水。
等一下再看啊。OK， 然后加菜心。下调味，胡椒粉。
先下调味才下米粉。
对，先给它在里面。这样。哎呀，哇，
入味。
dissolve。
1汤匙。
这样切。酱油等一下看，半茶匙这样，只是调味道而已。然后下米粉，容易吸收它的那个味道，吸收那个
汁的味道。
OK， 翻动它的米粉，给它全部吸收它的汤汁。如果太干的话，就放一点刚才浸香菇的水，然后慢慢 adjust。
人怎样讲那个？如果怎么看得出那个水够还是不够？
我觉得还没有熟啦，你可以 try 一下。
Serve the beehoon in a plate. Don't forget to take out the additional ingredients inside the wok as well. Wow, it smells absolutely amazing. Extremely old school recipe which is easy to cook and still tastes so flavorful. Hopefully this recipe will be of use to you, and do give it a thumbs up to help the algorithm boost the video. We have come to the end of today's episode. If you liked our recipe, consider subscribing to our channel and watch our recipes firsthand. Follow us on our socials and let us know if you have any recipes you would like to see us demonstrate. And I'll catch you in the next video.